In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 small tweaks that you can make to your Instagram strategy to start growing way faster and way easier. So let's get right into it. What's going on? It's Ben here from Flick, your destination for Instagram domination. And today we're talking about small tweaks that can bring huge returns. So if you're looking to grow on Instagram, this video will help you do it. So definitely stick around. So tweak number 1 is to start consistently practicing social listening or conscious consumption. You can call it whatever you want. But what this is strategically consuming content for the purpose of improving your content strategy. So when you go through your time on Instagram, actually take the time to not just consume blindly, but look at why something is working if it is working. Also, look for trends or patterns from the content that is working, either within your niche or Instagram in general. What's working on the platform is constantly changing. So your ability to spot trends and jump on them early is going to be a huge advantage for you to consistently grow on Instagram. So definitely make this a consistent practice. Go through, consume content, take notes, and break down why something's working, or look for patterns and consistent themes amongst the content that is being pushed. And this is both within your niche as well as just Instagram in general. 20 to 30 minutes of this per week is definitely enough as long as you're actually paying attention and taking notes. And of course, make sure to actually implement what you learned from your social listening so that you can grow faster on Instagram. Tweak number 2 you need to make is to optimize your profile. Too many Instagram users aren't aware of how important optimizing your profile actually is to get discovered across Instagram, especially by the right people. Instagram has put in a ton of effort to improving the search-based functionality on their platform. And the users that get this are leveraging it like crazy to bring in a ton of targeted traffic, helping them grow with the right followers. So definitely don't sleep on profile optimization for Instagram. And that's a pretty in-depth topic. So we made an entirely dedicated video to that, to optimizing your profile, and that's linked right here in the card above for you to watch after this one. We walk through exactly what you need to do, all the different steps, as well as what to consider to maximize your optimization. So watch that after this one. You'll be happy you did. Tweak number 3 is to build a consistent schedule. And a schedule is so important for a bunch of reasons. If you have a schedule, you can actually plan ahead and you know exactly what you're working towards to ensure that you do have that plan in place. For example, you know how often you're gonna be posting, you know what you're gonna be posting, all of that good stuff. So work from your brand pillars to build a content plan as well as a schedule so that you can stay on track and reduce your stress levels while maintaining consistency. Plus, a huge added bonus to this is that Instagram has said numerous times that they reward accounts that are consistent with additional reach and exposure. So you definitely want those benefits coming your way. But to get those benefits, you don't need to be posting hundreds of times per day. Just stick to a schedule that actually makes sense and works for you, and then stick to it. And to make that way easier, we recommend batching content. So both in the ideas, the captions, the tags, all that good stuff. And the easiest way to do that is to use a scheduler for your content, like our scheduler, which makes it very easy to do all of these things at one time and plan out months worth of content so you're never stressing about it and you're still maintaining your schedule. And if you want to give our scheduler a try, you can do so completely for free using the link down below. A pro tip when it comes to building your schedule is make sure to work in posts that are kind of experiments or when you try out different kinds of content. You want to do this to stay on top of what's working with Instagram, but also more specifically, what kinds of content your audience actually wants to see from you. If you just keep posting the same sort of things over and over again, you'll never see if you're missing out on a huge opportunity. So when putting your schedule together, definitely take some time to put in some experiments or tweaking different kinds of content or content styles. Knowledge is power, and by experimenting, you can get some of that feedback. Tweak number 4 is to build your core following and actually make social media social. Early engagement on content is a huge indicator for how far that post will actually be pushed and to how many new people. And to get that early engagement, you need to have a real connection with your followers so they actually want to engage and do so quickly. Plus, if you don't have a relationship with your followers, they may never even actually see your content because Instagram filters what people see completely based off the data and their use of the app. So if you don't have any sort of trackable relationship with your followers, the likelihood of them seeing your content goes down. So it's critical to actually take the time to build real relationships with the people that are following you. Because if you can build a loyal community of people who are eager to engage with every piece of content you have, you basically have a total hack for your content to reach more people. Because Instagram will take that positive data and push your content farther and farther. So definitely do not sleep on the importance of relationships. That's going to bring you sustainable engagement as well as sustainable growth. And a pro tip with this is make sure they are the people you're actually trying to reach. The deeper connection you have with your ideal customer, your ideal follower, the easier it makes Instagram to find similar people. So basically just be real here and actually connect with people that you want to be consuming your content. Build a community, make them feel acknowledged, make them feel appreciated, and it will do wonders for your performance on Instagram as well as your experience on the platform, especially if you do experiment with different content types. If your core people have a deep connection with you, they're still going to engage with it every single time. And this allows you to have far more creative freedom while still growing consistently. So put a bit of time each week to actually nurturing relationships. And it's actually as easy as just replying to all your comments, interacting with your core fans' content, and actually starting that conversation, as well as giving your followers every opportunity to engage with you on things like your story, as well as your other types of content. Don't be afraid to actually make Instagram social. Those that are leveraging it to build real relationships are winning again and again. Because at the end of the day, that's why people come to social media. It's for some sort of connection and to be part of a community. And if you provide that for the right people, you are going to win tenfold with your growth, as well as your connection that you actually have with your followers. And the fifth small tweak you need to make to your strategy is to start consistently implementing original video content to your content strategy. And I really want to underline the whole original video content. This is really important because traditionally you could go viral on Instagram by simply reposting somebody else's content. That is not the case anymore, as the head of Instagram has come out and said that they are rewarding original content and especially original video content. So all that means that you need to make your own content and share yourself. The other huge benefit to that, not just from the additional exposure and growth, is also it makes it really, really hard for anybody to copy your strategy because your strategy is original and it's you. Meaning the people that resonate with you are resonating with you, making content production so much easier. So start creating videos as much as possible and make sure they're your own original content. You'll be rewarded for doing so. So take the time to be creative, take risks, and post more videos. This is a constant across all the Instagram accounts that are growing very quickly. They're incorporating video as much as possible, and you need to be too if you want to grow. Unfortunately, Instagram isn't just a photo sharing app anymore, as we all know, but we have to roll with the punches and actually adapt, and this is the way to do it. And we here at Flick are all about keeping you informed and helping you grow on Instagram faster and enjoy the experience all at the same time. And if you're completely new to Flick or myself, what's up? My name is Ben, and we here at Flick are obsessed with keeping you informed on how to best leverage Instagram, as well as grow faster and enjoy your experience the whole time, making it as easy as possible for you. And we do that through providing tools like our easy to use hashtag research tool, our in-depth analytics suite, as well as our new post scheduler. So if you've never tried Flick out for yourself, you can do so completely for free across all of our different tools if you use the link down below in the description box and the pinned comment of this video. And we also post a ton of free content all around those themes on this YouTube channel. So if you're looking to grow on Instagram, you're looking to save time, you're looking to enjoy the experience, this is the place to help you do it. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, or don't. Either way is fine.
Either way is fine.
Be a lot cooler if you did.
It'd be a lot cooler if you did.
Like I mentioned in Tweak 2, optimizing your Instagram profile for success is probably the biggest hack to bring the right people to you consistently without you having to do any additional work. And we walk through exactly how to do that in this video right here. If you click that, you can go over and watch that and become an optimization expert on Instagram. So go ahead and click that. It'll help you grow way faster, and you will thank me later. I'll see you over there. Peace.